Good morning friends. Today we have learned about application of trigonometry. Now in many times we need to know the height of tower, height of building, height of tree or the distance of ship from the lighthouse or the width of river. We cannot measure them actually but we can find them with the help of trigonometric ratio. For the purpose of computation we can draw a rough sketch to show a given information. Trees, hills, towers are a vertical objects. So we shall represent them in the figure by segment which are perpendicular to the ground. We will not consider the height of the observer and we shall normally regarding about the observer line of vision to the parallel and the horizontal level. Now in this case we must want to study some related terms. First term is that a line of vision. Now line of vision is nothing but if an observer is standing at a position A and looking at an object B, then the line AB is called as a line of vision. Now first point in the application of trigonometry is nothing but a line of vision, and line of vision is nothing but if a position, suppose this is nothing but the position A, if the observer is standing at a position A and looking at an object B, suppose this is nothing but the position of an object, then the line joining AB, that line or that ray is called as a line of vision. Now must be considered as A is nothing but the position of an observer and B is nothing but the position of an object, and the ray AB is nothing but the line of vision. Second point is that angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is nothing but if an observer is at a position A, observe the point B which is at a level higher than A, then and AM is the horizontal line, then angle BAM is called as the angle of elevation. Now in this case we have to consider this is nothing but the position of an observer, that is considered as A. Suppose that observe the point B, suppose this is nothing but the point B and this point B is at a higher level, point B is at higher level as compared to point A, and AM is nothing but the horizontal line. This is nothing but the horizontal line, that means line passing through the point A and M is nothing but the horizontal line. Okay, and observer at a position A looking at a position B, therefore the line AB is called as a line of vision. That means this AM line or ray is nothing but the horizontal line and AB is nothing but the line of vision. The angle between horizontal line and a line of vision is called as angle of elevation. Second point, that is the angle of depression. Angle of depression is nothing but if an observer at a position A observe the point B which is at a lower level than A and AM is considered as a horizontal line, then the angle MAB is nothing but the angle of depression. In this case we have taken this is nothing but the position of an observer A looking at a position B, suppose this is the B is nothing but the object side and this B is at a lower level as compared to A and AM is nothing but the horizontal line, that means line joining the point A and B and line joining point A and B M is nothing but the horizontal line and line joining A to B is nothing but the line of vision. In both these cases, the angle made by horizontal line with a line of vision is nothing but the angle of depression. Only difference between angle of elevation and difference between angle of depression is that observer and a object. In angle of elevation, observer is at a lower position as compared to object, and in angle of depression, observer is at a higher position as compared to an object, and both these angles are made by horizontal line with the line of vision. Okay, point must be clear that angle of elevation as well as angle of depression, that angle is made by the line of vision with the horizontal line. अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन आणि अँगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन हा असा अँगल आहे की तो अँगल लाईन ऑफ विजन आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईनमध्येच होतो, दुसऱ्या लाईन कन्सिडर करायच्या नाहीत. ओके, ओनली लाईन ऑफ विजन अँड हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन. अँगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन अँड लाईन ऑफ विजन. ओके, फक्त लाईन ऑफ अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन काय होतं, वरच्या दिशेने, आणि अँगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन खालच्या दिशेने घ्यायचा आहे. ही गोष्ट इथे लक्षात ठेवायची आहे. First point, line of vision. Point A is nothing but the position of observer. Point B is nothing but the position of an object. Then line AB is called as the line of vision. Next point, angle of elevation. If position of an object is higher to the position of observer, then the angle made by horizontal line with the line of vision is nothing but the angle of elevation, and angle of depression is nothing but the angle made by horizontal line with a line of vision. In this case, angle position of an observer is at a higher position as compared to position of an object. Okay friends, thank you.